It will stop. Ericsson invented Bluetooth, and robots, they will self-drive.
We went to see some globally successful companies that started in Sweden.
This is a mobile phone. Hello and welcome to Ericsson.
Like Ericsson.
This is the founder, and he was working in the company just as long as he could know the name of all the employees. When the company grew too big and he didn't know all the names, he resigned.
Okay. It used to make Ericsson phones back in the day, and Nokia was their competitor, but they were faced with the iPhone and the touch screen.
This actual phone is from 2005, and Apple released the iPhone in 2007.
Today, Apple is going to reinvent the phone and just make a giant screen.
The first mobile phone took about 100 years to cut the cable.
Imagine the idea of the phone was blowing.
When you made a phone call, you had two of these, and up to 50 meters of cable between the two. And then if you want to make a phone call, you use a whistle. You blow in the whistle, and then I talk and listen, and talk and listen.
This is mobile telephone service.
Let's dial the number.
Like to order a large pizza with mushrooms?
This is a mobile phone.
I can travel with this.
It is a mobile phone. It's very heavy, so you probably need to check. Exactly. But it's 7 kilos.
Hello, the telephone.
But now they are the best in wired and wireless telecommunications.
And since there were no SIM cards, if you wanted to take your phone with you, you had to do like this. So you took this with you. And Saudi Arabia was at the time also very technology advanced. And they signed up directly. We want that mobile network in Saudi Arabia. We invented Bluetooth. Ericsson invented Bluetooth and opened it free. It actually comes from an old Viking, Harald Blåtand. Blåtand in Swedish is Bluetooth.
Harold Bluetooth, HB.
Of the equipment you see here, many things is defined by software. Today you are a 3G base station, and tomorrow you're going to be a 5G base station. We can change that with software. 2G was only voice. That was 1990. Then 3G came around 2000, talking about video calls. 2010 we got 4G. 2015 we started to build our first 5G hardware, the boxes. We didn't tell anyone though.
Okay.
Our radio needs to work with a Huawei core. So we collaborate all over the world, even with our competitors, to have a standard. Said, okay, now you can upload new software and you will get 5G. But 5G is not everywhere in the world. It's not even everywhere in Europe, because many countries have not freed up the spectrum. So 5G, for a consumer, it is 4G on steroids. In about, 10 years, we will see 6G. Yeah, I will start to drive it. Many companies, for example, Mercedes, that is dependent on 5G. You can have it in factories, for example, but you can have it on public roads and everything. We are building a digital twin. So that's me in the digital twin. Closer, you will see that you will appear here as well.
Oh, yeah.
So that's you.
That's me.
Yeah, that's you.
Now he'll stop.
Yeah, it will stop. There is a sensor. You can see the sensor above the curtain. It's a small sensor, this size. This is a 5G connected sensor that builds what we call a digital twin.
Digital twin.
Like this robot, it's working on 5G. On this device, do you see it on the top?
Everyone in industries are talking about today. We need to have a computer world of what is happening on the physical world. So how can we update the computer world at the same time it's happening physically? We need to have sensors that can see where people are moving, cars are moving, bikes are moving, and we're having that there. So this camera now, or this sensor, is building a digital twin of this form. So even if the car is over there now, it knows that we are all four here. Robots, they will self-drive because it's blocked right now. Well, use the camera. You tell the 5G network, you need to travel around this box now. So what it does, it actually turns around this obstacle automatically. Because, as I said, we use the 5G network to navigate around the blockage.
These sensors are put in the streets. They can run a car by itself and know where it goes using 5G sensors.
Someone is standing here. No, they're crossing the street now. Yeah, we knew it. We saw this.
And they sold Estonia small cars that can autonomously deliver orders.
We'll travel all the way here and deliver the food to me.
If put all over the city, maybe it could run the whole city by itself. And this is the future.
And one of the most dangerous jobs you can have in a port is sitting in a crane like this. In ports today, what we did was to have a lot of cameras here and wireless sensors, putting the operator inside an office instead. So we have the Kankberg gold mine in Sweden that we also connected. Audi, but also Mercedes and many other companies doing this. This is a 5G phone. This is what consumers can buy today. They're moving everything to the cloud. The network is so fast today that all the games that you do on your console at home today, you will be able to play on your mobile phone, streamed. One of the most advanced countries with this is South Korea.